Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I am creating the cover for my Israel 2019 Traveler's Notebook album. Basically, it's a Traveler's Notebook, but I like to treat it like an album. And I'm using the digital version of the collection Transatlantic Travel by Carta. Basically just the paper, and then I created my own embellishments. So this is right now I'm gluing the back side of it, and it just goes there on the back side. It will stay undecorated. I won't do anything to the back. I always have to pay attention which one is the back, which one is the front, so that I don't put the wrong side. These papers, well, there was something, it said something on it like not travel when this is about a travel, so I thought that was funny when I put the page together, and I felt, okay, the not travel should go on the back side, that you don't really pay attention to too much rather than to the front. So then I have all these little die cut pieces there. First I have this tag on which I then stamped my title, which says Israel 2019. It was just a trip that we did there with my family. And then I have this other just fun tag that I just, it was from a big stamp, and I just partially stamped it onto this, and then that has the little tag there that says travel. And then I have this, it came with a die cut set there, and I just watercolored all these. So it's a globe, a suitcase, and I think it's a compass. So these little things there that just embellish my page there, and that basically keeps it very simple, but I thought it turned out just fun for the cover. This is just for the first part of, there will be more parts to this album because otherwise they get too thick, and so this is the first part, and I am going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.